100,000 people and includes all those here in Northwest Ohio. Well, COVID numbers are on the rise as temperatures begin to fall. Hospital systems preparing for a busy winter. Emma Henderson breaks down what social distancing will look like indoors and what medical professionals learned from treating earlier coronavirus cases.
Lucas County has been lowered to a red level alert for the spread of coronavirus. And as it gets colder and people begin to head indoors for activities, doctors say it's vital we take a renewed interest in COVID safety.
We have seen a bit of an uptick in our own hospital system. It hasn't been anywhere near the initial surge that we saw in June, but we don't know where this is going.
Dr. Joel Kmeyer is with the Division of Infectious Diseases at UTMC, and he says while the fatigue from social distancing and mask wearing is understandable, wearing the masks during winter is going to help us more safely power through the flu season.
We've come this far, and I think that it's incumbent upon all of us to just recognize that this is a long-term fight. We have to get through this winter, and if we do that by that time, I'm quite a bit more optimistic that a vaccine should be on the way.
Dr. Brian Kaminski says ProMedica is more prepared if another surge happens. It's managed patients better, learned how to preserve PPE, and trained staff on treatment protocols, also opting to move away from having one major coronavirus facility.
We do have individual COVID wings or COVID units within our hospitals, but we no longer have a dedicated COVID hospital.
While we don't know whether COVID cases will continue to increase, Kaminski says hospitals are usually already busy in winter.
We generally see an increase in the volume of patients in the hospital, and in the fall and winter months, that's usually a stress point for the hospitals in general. And then if you add on additional COVID patients and potentially a surge of COVID patients, that does concern us.
So both doctors say the best way you can help is mask up, keep social distancing, and practice good hygiene. In downtown Toledo, Emma Henderson for WTOL 11 on Fox 36.
Governor DeWine says the state's 10 p.m. last call rule for bars and restaurants isn't going